Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Chevy Cruze back seat. First, let's tackle the bottom cushion. You'll find two clips at the front, one on each side. Grab the seat firmly near these clips and pull straight up with significant force. It might feel tight, but don't worry, it's designed to pop free. Once the front clips are disengaged, push the entire cushion towards the rear of the car to unhook it from its back anchors. With the front clips released, you can now lift the entire front edge of the bottom cushion. Next, gently feed the seat belts through their slots in the cushion. This step ensures they don't get caught or damaged during removal. Once the seat belts are clear, you can completely remove the bottom cushion from your Cruze. Set it aside in a safe place to prepare for the next stage of the process. Now, let's move on to the seat back. Begin by folding down both the 60% and 40% sections of the seat back. This gives you better access to the mounting points. In the trunk area, you'll find a bracket secured by 3 bolts. Use a 15mm wrench or socket to remove these 3 bolts. After the bolts are out, carefully detach any side rods or clips holding the seat back to the vehicle's frame. With the bolts and side attachments removed, lift the entire seat back straight up to disengage it from its upper mounting points. Be mindful of any electrical connectors, especially for side airbags, and disconnect them carefully. Now your rear seat is fully removed. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. Ensure all clips, bolts, and seat belts are properly secured for safety before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.